Table 40.2. Comparing states and union territories. States and union territories. States, their relationship with center is federal. Union territories, their relationship with center is unitary. States, they share a distribution of power with the center. Union territories, they are under the direct control and administration of the center. States, they have autonomy. Union territories, they do not have autonomy. Comparing states, there is uniformity in their administrative setups. Union territories, there is no uniformity in their administrative setup. 5. State and UT. Their executive head is known as governor. UT, their executive head is known by various designations: administrator or lieutenant governor or chief commissioner. State, a governor is the constitutional head of the state. UT, an administrator is an agent of the president. State, parliament cannot make laws on the subject of the state list in relation to the states except under extraordinary circumstances. UT, parliament can make laws on any subject of three lists: the state list in relation to the states except under in relation to the union territories. Table 40.3. Articles related to union territories at glance. 239. Administration of union territories. 239A. Creation of local legislatures or council of ministers or both for certain union territories. 239AA. Special provision with respect to Delhi. 239AB. Provision in case of failure of constitutional machinery. 239B. Power of administrator to promulgate ordinances during recess of legislature. 240. Power of president to make regulation for certain union territories. 241. High courts for union territories. 242. Koruk repealed. Table 41.1. Tribal areas at a glance 2019. Assam, the North Chachar Hill District, the Karbi Anglong District, Bodoland Territorial Areas District. Meghalaya, Khasi Hill District, Jaintia Hill District, Garo Hill District. Tripura Tribal Area District. Mizoram, the Chakma District, the Mara District, the Lai District. For Table 41.2. Articles related to schedule and tribal area at a glance. 244. Administration of scheduled areas and tribal areas. 244A. Formation of an autonomous state comprising certain tribal areas in Assam and creation of local legislature or council of ministers or both therefore. 339. Control of the union over the administration of scheduled area and the welfare of scheduled tribe. Table 41.3. Parliamentary laws related to the 5th and 6th schedule of the Constitution. Lusai Hill District Change of Name Act. Lusai Hill District Act 1954 renamed the Lusai Hill District as the Mizo District. The Lusai Hill District was one of the 6 autonomous districts in the tribal area of Assam specified in the 6th schedule of the Constitution. Government of Union Territories amended the 6th schedule of the Constitution to include certain provisions with respect to the autonomous district and autonomous regions of the Union Territory of Mizoram. The Government of Union Territories Amendment Act 1971. Repealing and Amending Act 1974. Repealed certain enactments and amended certain other enactments. It also substituted the word cattle pounds for cattle ponds in the 6th schedule of the Constitution. 5th Schedule of the Constitution Amendment Act 1976 empowered the President of India to increase the area of any scheduled area in a state after consultation with the governor of that state. Second, to rescind any order made for the designation of an area in any state to be scheduled area or in consultation with the governor of the state concerned, make fresh order redefining the area which is to be scheduled area. 6th Schedule to the Constitution Amendment Act 1988 included certain modification in the 6th schedule of the Constitution in its application to the state of Tripura and Mizoram. These, first, provided that the governor shall act in their discretion in the discharge of some of the function. Second, made provisions relating to the application of acts of parliament and the state legislature to autonomous district and autonomous regions. And third, provided for a time limit in making over the share of royalties to the district councils. 6. The sixth schedule to the Constitution Amendment Act 1995 included certain modifications in the sixth schedule of the Constitution in its application to the state of Assam. These 1. Provided that the district council constituted for the North Chachar Hills district shall be called the North Chachar Hills Autonomous Council, and the district council constituted for the Karbi Anglong district shall be called as Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Second, made provision for the additional power of the North Chachar Hills Autonomous Council and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to make laws. And third, made it mandatory for the governor to consult the North Chachar Hills Autonomous Council or the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, as the case may be, in the exercise of his discretionary powers. Seventh schedule to the Constitution Amendment Act 2003 included certain modifications in the sixth schedule of the Constitution in its application to the states of Assam. This was done to meet the aspiration of the Bodos in Assam and in pursuance of the memorandum of settlement signed between the central government and government of Assam and Bodo Liberation Tigers on 10th February 2003 for a durable solution to the Bodo issues. In this context, the Act made the following provision. First, specified the Bodoland Territorial Area District in the list of the tribal area of the state of Assam. Second, created an autonomous self-governing body known as Bodoland Territorial Council (BTC) within the state of Assam. Third, vested the council with legislative, administrative, and financial powers in respect of specified subject. And fourth, provided for adequate safeguards for the non-tribal in the BTC area. Table 43.1 Articles related to UPSC at a glance. 315 Public Service Commission for the Union and the State. 316 Appointment and term of office of member. 317 Removal and suspension of member of Public Service Commission. 318 Power to make regulation as to condition of service of member and staff of the commission. 319 Prohibition as to the holding of office by member of commission on ceasing to be such members. 320 Functions of Public Service Commission. 321 Power to extend functions of Public Service Commission. 322 Expenses of Public Service Commission. 323 Reports of Public Service Commission. Table 45.2 Articles related to Finance Commission. 280 Finance Commission. 281 Recommendation of the Finance Commission. Table 51.1 Articles related to Comptroller and Auditor General of India at a glance. 148 Comptroller and Auditor General of India. 149 Duties and Power of the Comptroller and Auditor General. 150 Forms of Account of the Union and of the States. 151 Audit Report. Table 52.1 Articles related to Attorney General of India at a glance. 76 Attorney General of India. 88 Rights of Attorney General as respect the House of Parliament and its committee. 105 Powers, privileges and immunities of Attorney General. Table 53.1 Articles related to Advocate General of State at a glance. 165 Advocate General of the State. 177 Right of the Advocate General as respect the House of the State Legislature and its committees. 194 Powers, privileges and immunities of Advocate General. Table 53.2 Articles related to constitutional bodies at a glance. 76 Attorney General of India. 148 Comptroller and Auditor General of India. 165 Advocate General of the State. 243I State Finance Commission. 243K State Election Commission. 243 ZT District Planning Committee. 243 ZE Metropolitan Planning Committee. 263 Interstate Council. 279A Good and Service Tax Council. 280 Finance Commission. 307 Interstate Trade and Commerce Commission. 315 Union Public Service Commission and State Public Service Commission. 324 Election Commission. 338 National Commission for Scheduled Caste. 338A National Commission for Scheduled Tribe. 338B National Commission for Backward Classes. 339 Scheduled Areas and Scheduled Tribe Commission. 340 Backward Classes Commission 344, Official Language Commissions and Official Language Committee of Parliament 350B, Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities. Table 71.4, Women in Lok Sabha Election. First 1952, contested का पता नहीं, elected 22. Second 1957, 45 contested, elected 27. 11th 1996, 599 contested, 40 elected. Present check करें.